Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, one is diving into a truly exciting package, the KODAK Printomatic Instant Camera Gray Art Bundle. This isn't just a camera, it's an entire creative universe packed into one box, designed for anyone who loves instant gratification and hands-on art. The star of this bundle is, of course, the KODAK Printomatic Instant Camera itself. This sleek gray device offers the joy of point-and-shoot photography combined with instant zinc, zero ink, printing. It means no messy ink cartridges to worry about. The magic is in the paper. The camera captures moments and prints vibrant, smudge-proof, water-resistant, and tear-resistant 2x3-inch photos in seconds. It's incredibly simple to use, making it perfect for all ages. One simply aims, clicks, and watches as a physical memory emerges, ready to be shared or adorned. But what truly elevates this offering from a simple camera to an art bundle is the incredible array of accessories included. Right off the bat, one gets 20 sheets of zinc paper, so the fun can start immediately. Beyond the printing, the bundle encourages boundless creativity. An 8x8 cloth scrapbook is provided, offering a beautiful canvas for preserving those instant prints. This isn't just a place to stick photos, it's an invitation to tell a story. To help personalize each page, the bundle includes 12 twin-tip markers, offering a spectrum of colors and line weights for drawing, writing, and embellishing. For those who love adding flair, 100 border stickers are included, allowing one to frame each photo with a unique design. And for an extra touch of craftiness, 6 decorative scissors are part of the kit, perfect for creating fun edges on photos or other paper elements. Finally, a roll of washi tape rounds out the artistic tools, providing endless possibilities for decoration and attachment. This KODAK Printomatic Art Bundle is truly a fantastic gift for budding artists, memory keepers, or anyone who enjoys tangible photographs and creative expression. It provides everything needed to capture moments, and then immediately transform them into personalized keepsakes. The ease of the Printomatic camera, combined with such a comprehensive set of crafting tools, makes it an outstanding value and a source of endless fun. It encourages a return to physical memories in a digital age, fostering creativity and connection. This bundle truly stands out as a complete creative solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.